Hey friends, if Windows event log services is not starting or not available, then please watch this video, then I will guide you to the resolution. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to Windows events log services, okay? Windows event log service, right click on it, select properties, make sure that the starter type is automatic, if not change it to it. Click on apply, okay, then right click on it and select start. If it is started, then click on restart and this will fix the problem. Basically, the service should definitely be set at automatic, and even after setting it at automatic, you have to start it once or restart your computer. Upon restarting, it will pick up the service automatically. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.